Checking your account balance on Gopax is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Gopax website or open the Gopax app. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard or main menu. This is typically where you can find an overview of your account and various options. Step 3. Find the balance section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balances. In the balance section, you will see the total amount of your assets, including any cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies you hold. Take note of the figures presented. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, ensure you log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device. This helps keep your account secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Gopax. Always remember to keep your login information secure and monitor your account regularly.